Welcome, welcome, welcome to the spelling video for Unit 3, Week 4. I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready to go. I hope you have your spelling pencil ready to go, sharpened, ready for writing. Make sure you have your scissors. You need to make sure that you cut out your words and your zip-top bag that you can put in the words in once you have finished. Your spelling notebook. We are to the point where you should have your spelling notebook every night. If you do not, go ahead and grab a piece of paper, but just know that you're going to have to copy your spelling sort into your spelling book at school. So please don't forget it. Please make sure you have it, and let's get to spelling. Hey, look, there's our words. Unit 3, Week 4. All right, so let's get to cutting. So, I hope everybody had a good weekend and a good week so far. Let me tell you what we got going on this spelling this week. It's kind of a difficult one. And the great thing is that I think you'll be able to do this. I think you'll find a few patterns. I think you'll find a few things that will make it easier for you to remember. But unfortunately, in this spelling sort that I have here, there is no real rule that will separate the LEs, the EL, and the AL. Because that's what we're learning about today, is the consonant plus the LE, then we'll do the AL, and then we'll do an EL. So go ahead and let's get these words cut. I like to cut them down 3 and then cut them this way. That makes it so much easier and so much faster. Because you've noticed since I've been jabbering that it's been about a minute. And so I figure I can have my words cut and laid out in about 2 minutes. So get your words all cut out and laid out. Ooh. Get them all ready to go here. Looks like I'm seeing some, it looks like I'm seeing some other words. I'm not just seeing the words with the LEs and the ELs. I'm seeing something else. We got to check it out. Okay, let's put those up at the top. Let's finish putting these all the way around. Then you'll notice that my time is right about 2 minutes. And you're saying, well, the time's more than 2 minutes. I know. I'm talking about since I started cutting out my words. Since I started cutting out my words. All right. There we go. Oops, I got one more we got to do here. There we go. Oh, yeah. All right. All right, so let's get to writing. So the top that we're going to write here, down up here, is today we're going to be doing consonant. Consonant. Conson. Ooh, you know what? I think sun is actually where the thing goes in. You know what I want you to do? I want you to look that word up. Consonant. See if that is where the thing goes. Wouldn't that be interesting? I think it would be. Consonant plus LE syllables. So, we're still talking about syllables. And remember, syllables are the clap on, clap off. I mean, not clap on, clap off. That's a light. I mean, where the sounds are in the word. So we go consonant. Remember, the vowels there's got to be a vowel in each syllable. I find that very interesting. All right, so consonant plus LE syllables, and then we're going to do a little oddball over here. All right? Because if it doesn't have a LE, but I actually want that sound, okay? And I'll show you why in just a second. That's going to be very important for us to have. All right, so let's pick out a word here. Let's see what I'm going to do here. Oh, look at that one right there. Let's go with saddle. We're going to put an LE at the end here. We're going to underline it because we're looking for L-E. So let's write that. Saddle. Say it. Sad, dull, consonant. Boom! Sad, dull. Right? Right? You better look that up. Make sure that Mr. Anderson's right. Sad, dull. L-E at the very end. Let's do another one. Oh, this one doesn't have the L-E. So we're going to do an A-L underline. And that is royal. Royal. Saddle, royal. They all have the same sound, and that's what's going to be the trickiest part about this, is you need to find a pattern, find a way that you can remember the L-E and the A-L. All right, let's do the last one here. Ooh, I got to get these words separated. I didn't do that one. Label. Uh-oh, we got an E-L sound. So let's go label. Label. Saddle. Royal. Label. This is going to be the trick one, okay? And I know it's going to be a little difficult for you, but what I'm going to tell you is that most words that have the L-E or have this sound end in L-E. I'll tell you that. So as you go through this, I want you to recognize how many words are here, how many words are here, how many words are here. And that will help you out a little bit to recognize what those are. Now, royal, there's an oi sound in there. That's a teammate, oi. But what I thought was, hey, when I was your age, I thought, well, shoot, A-L, that must mean that the O or the Y is a vowel. But when we get to medal, that doesn't work that way, does it? So that's where we got to be very, very careful, that we don't just make up rules that do not apply to other things. We sort of do that in math sometimes, is we'll make up a rule because it fits with this one thing, with this one word. But if it doesn't match this word, it can't be a rule for the AL. So this one might be one that you need to memorize and recognize. The biggest thing that will help you is reading. Because why do we do this? Because this will make you a better reader. It will make you a better writer. And in writing, it'll make you a better speller. So that's why we do these sorts of activities here. All right, here's our oddball. Anything that doesn't end in an LE, AL, or EL needs to go in the oddball. All right, so this is going to be kind of a shorter video than normal. And so I want you to get these written out. I want the syllable line in each one of them. Do not forget that. And I want you to tell me when you get back to school on Thursday or Friday, which one has the most in it. And hopefully that'll let you know that that is the one you've got to pay attention to the most. There are quite a few with ALs. There's not a lot with ELs. There's a few out there, but I want you to recognize that there's a lot more with those patterns there. The LE and the EL don't have that many. Oh, I wanted to tell you one. I want you to do one. This is a bonus one for you. All right. Angel and angle. Angel or angle. Where does it go? Well, I'm going to tell you. A-N-G-L-E is angle. That one has a hard angle. That has a hard G sound. That's an angle, L-E. Now, if you go over here, then we spell angel. Angel. That That one has a soft G, gel, gull. Gel, gull. Gull gel. Gull gel. Just wanted to get that out of the way there. All right. So finish up your consonants, your LE, your AL, and your EL, and then write out your oddballs. Spell them correctly. Make sure that you lay them, you write them. So when I do my word, I want you to put the word out here, not in the sheet. Cut them out so you can see each word separately. Medal, medal. See it, say it, write it. See it, say it, write it. Got it? Good. Have a good night.